Hello guys, welcome back to DailyTube channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing the 5 best roasting pans that are designed for different kinds of users in 2020. We will take into quality, fit and comfort, features, and price, so you can decide which is best for you. All the products on our list were selected based on their own inherent strengths and features, so, if you want to know the last price and other more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below. Give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want a video like this in the next episode. That's it, now let's get started with the videos. Starting up with number 5, we have the Circulon 56539 Nonstick Roasting Pan. The Circulon 56539 Nonstick Roasting Pan currently priced $34 for make your favorite dishes with convenience, using this well-made circular and roaster. It comes with a 17-inch pan that is spacious enough for your tasty dishes such as sausages, chicken and turkey. We also like the rack that comes with a nice U-shape, which allows the fat to simply drip with ease to the roaster's bottom. The non-stick design is another plus that helps you turn the food over, while eliminating the hassle with cleanup. As it is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this should be the perfect cookware for all your baked dishes. It is a thick, well-made, and sturdy pan. However, if there is one change we would like to see on this pan, it would be the handles. These components do not bend over, which is a hassle for storage purposes. The handles are also not as thick as how we want them to be. At number 4, we have the CookPro 561 Roasting Pan. The CookPro 561 Roasting Pan bake your cheesy lasagna or roaster meats with this roaster without any hassle. It is crafted from industry standard stainless steel that is designed to last for a long time. There are also different sizes for the roasting racks and the pans, which offers convenience. The handles are perfect as these allow you to place the pan into your oven without ease, along with the convenience of lifting or pulling the pan out. With a mirror polish for the exterior, this pan looks chic and elegant. Overall, this pan is excellent for the purpose it serves. Perhaps it would be better if the larger roasting pan is a little deeper, although it is good enough the way it is now. As for the smaller pan, it is deep yet it is not as spacious for some recipes. At number 3, we have the Granite Ware Roaster. Granite Ware Roaster capable of holding as much as 13 quarts. This is a very spacious roaster oven to use at home for your parties and other special gatherings. The body is crafted from durable carbon steel that distributes heat in an even and quick manner. There is a porcelain material fused well to the steel, and when 2000 degrees Fahrenheit of temperature is produced, this makes this special component non-stick naturally. We also like the glass surface that ensures the natural taste of the food, without causing any odd smell to it. Most importantly, this material is free from PFOA and PTFE that alter the food's nutritional value tastes. In color, it would certainly be better if the pan is not dark color. Its current color makes it tougher to see the food. Also, we think the material is not the thickest there is, so the glazing may not be a good idea to do with this cookware. At number 2, we have the Oster Roaster Oven. There is so much space for cooking all types of ingredients in this 22-quart stainless steel roaster. It includes a lid with a self-basting function, which allows moisture to recirculate with ease. The lid is also high down, which means even a 26-pound turkey can fit perfectly in it. Other features of this bakeware include a temperature dial, keep warm setting, and a removable rack that ensures a worry-free cleanup. If there is one thing that can be improved about this product, it would be the addition of a self-timer. This would definitely add to the ease in perfecting your roasted dishes without any guesswork on the length of time spent cooking them. At number 1, we have the All-Clad Roaster. All-Clad Roaster come with $140 and 16 inches of cooking space, so you can roast your chicken and smaller turkey well in this bakeware. It is made from high-quality stainless steel, and the roti combo is great because of its ergonomic design. There is even a V-shaped rack with a non-stick feature that should ensure an even cooking. As this is safe for use on your stovetop, you should be able to prepare your gravies with it right after you finish roasting your meats. We think that this is a good quality roaster that is excellent for the price you pay. Some users complain about the rack, though, as they notice the non-stick coating coming off after several uses. This is a bit of a disappointment since the pan itself is of the finest quality. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.